Brother MFC J6520DW, as you can see there in the reference. We try to turn it off and then it won't turn back on. Basically what I've just done now is I've unplugged the power cord from the printer. It needs to be unplugged for about a few seconds so that we can see what happens next. Now I'm just going to plug it back in, plugged it back in, and then we get this on the screen with the home logo. So you get that, and then it says shutting down, all functions will be disabled, and it just, does a few things, and then it says stand by, on off to resume. Now it doesn't matter whether you press the on off button to resume or whether you just let it sit like this. It will eventually just completely shut down, sit like that, and won't do anything. And so now it's completely unresponsive, and if you press the power button, nothing happens. We've tried pressing it rapidly, we've tried holding it down, just about everything. And if you try to unplug the power cable, once again, unplugging it now, and then plug it back in immediately, also nothing happens. You have to unplug it, leave it unplugged for about 20-30 seconds or so, plug it back in, and then you're gonna get the exact same thing that we just observed, which is the Brother logo saying shutting down, all functions are disabled, and then shut down, press power button to resume, and then you just get that over and over and over again. Can't turn the printer on, and can't print anything.